Welcome back to Thiele's channel, where we explore the world's most breathtaking destinations. Today, we're embarking on a visual journey through the Caribbean islands, a tropical paradise known for its stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and crystal-clear waters. Let me give you a brief history of the Caribbean islands. The history of the Caribbean islands is rich and complex, shaped by indigenous peoples, European colonization, African slavery, and a mix of cultures and influences. Here's a brief overview of the history of the Caribbean islands. Pre-Columbian era. The Caribbean islands were inhabited by various indigenous peoples, including the Taino, Arawak, Carib, and Kalinago tribes. These indigenous cultures thrived for centuries, cultivating crops like cassava, maize, and yams, and developing complex societies. European colonization. Christopher Columbus arrived in the Caribbean in 1492 during his first voyage to the Americas, landing in present-day San Salvador, Bahamas. Spain quickly claimed many Caribbean islands, establishing colonies and exploiting the region's resources. Other European powers, including France, England, the Netherlands, and Denmark, also established colonies in the Caribbean. African slavery. European colonizers brought enslaved Africans to work on sugar, tobacco, and cotton plantations, leading to the brutal transatlantic slave trade. The Caribbean became a major hub for the transatlantic slave trade. 7. Resulting in a significant African diaspora. Piracy and privateering. 1. The Caribbean Sea was infested with pirates and privateers in the 17th and 18th centuries, as European nations fought for control of the region. Famous pirates like Blackbeard and Calico Jack roamed these waters. Colonial rivalries and conflicts. European colonial powers often engaged in conflicts and wars over control of Caribbean territories. Treaty of Paris in 1763 and the Treaty of Versailles in 1783 shifted control of several islands between European powers. Abolition of slavery and emancipation. Slavery was abolished in the British Empire in 1833, leading to a transition to wage labor. Other colonial powers followed suit, and emancipation came gradually throughout the 19th century. Independence movements. In the 20th century, many Caribbean nations began seeking independence from colonial rule. Haiti became the first independent Caribbean nation in 1804, followed by other nations gaining independence in the 20th century. Contemporary Caribbean. The Caribbean today is a diverse region with a mix of languages, cultures, and influences. 3. Tourism, agriculture, and offshore finance are key economic drivers in many Caribbean nations. Challenges include hurricanes, economic disparities, and issues related to climate change. The history of the Caribbean islands is a testament to the resilience and cultural diversity of its people, shaped by centuries of interaction between indigenous cultures. European colonization, the African diaspora, and the struggles for independence and self-determination. Now here are the top wonder beauties of Caribbean island. The Caribbean archipelago. The Caribbean is a vast archipelago comprising over 7,000 islands, each with its unique charm. Let's begin our exploration of 25 beautiful places in this tropical wonderland. 1. The Pitons, St. Lucia. Our first stop takes us to the majestic Pitons in St. Lucia. Two towering volcanic peaks rising dramatically from the Caribbean Sea. They're not only iconic but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Grace Bay, Turks and Caicos. Grace Bay in Turks and Caicos boasts some of the world's most pristine beaches, with powdery white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. It's a haven for water sports enthusiasts and sunseekers. 3. The Baths, Virgin Gorda. Next, we're off to Virgin Gorda in the British Virgin Islands to explore the Baths, a unique geological formation of massive granite boulders and hidden sea pools. 4. Horseshoe Bay, Bermuda. Bermuda's Horseshoe Bay is renowned for its pink sands, clear blue waters, and iconic rock formations. It's a picture-perfect beach destination. 5. Dunn's River Falls, Jamaica. In Jamaica, we find the enchanting Dunn's River Falls, where you can climb cascading waterfalls amid lush tropical scenery. 6. Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. Old San Juan, Puerto Rico, is a historic gem with colorful colonial buildings, cobblestone streets, and a rich cultural heritage. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 7. Exuma Cayes Land and Sea Park, Bahamas. The Exuma Cayes Land and Sea Park in the Bahamas is a pristine marine sanctuary, teeming with marine life and boasting some of the clearest waters you'll ever see. 8. Antigua's beaches, Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda are known for their 365 beautiful beaches, each with its own unique charm. You could visit a different one every day for a year. 9. Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands offer world-class diving and snorkeling opportunities. Explore vibrant coral reefs and encounter exotic marine life. 10. Grenada's spice plantations, Grenada. Grenada, known as the Spice Isle, is famous for its nutmeg and spice plantations. A visit here offers a sensory journey through fragrant gardens. 11. Curaçao's colorful architecture, Curaçao. Curaçao charms visitors with its colorful Dutch colonial architecture in Willemstad. The vibrant pastel buildings along the waterfront are a photographer's dream. 12. The Blue Hole, Belize. Belize's Blue Hole is a natural wonder, a giant marine sinkhole surrounded by coral reefs. It's a bucket list destination for divers and adventure seekers. 13. Aruba's Eagle Beach, Aruba. Eagle Beach in Aruba is known for its iconic DV trees, pristine sands, and calm waters, a paradise for relaxation and water sports. 14. The Grenadines, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The Grenadines offer a collection of idyllic islands and cays, perfect for sailing, snorkeling, and soaking up the Caribbean sun. 15. El Yunque National Forest, Puerto Rico. El Yunque National Forest in Puerto Rico is a lush rainforest, filled with waterfalls, hiking trails, and diverse wildlife. 16. Barbados Bathsheba Beach, Barbados. Bathsheba Beach in Barbados is known for its dramatic rock formations, pounding surf, and a rugged natural beauty that's truly captivating. 17. St. Kitts and Nevis. The twin islands of St. Kitts and Nevis offer historic sites, lush rainforests, and unspoiled beaches, making them a hidden Caribbean gem. 18. Montego Bay, Jamaica. Montego Bay in Jamaica is a popular resort destination known for its vibrant nightlife, golf courses, and beautiful beaches. 19. Tobago Cayes, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The Tobago Cayes in St. Vincent and the Grenadines are a pristine marine park, perfect for snorkeling, swimming with turtles, and enjoying secluded beaches. 20. St. Bart's, French West Indies. St. Bart's, part of the French West Indies, offers a mix of Caribbean charm and French elegance. It's known for its upscale resorts and picturesque villages. 21. Culebra, Puerto Rico. Culebra, a small island off Puerto Rico, is a paradise for nature lovers. Flamenco Beach, with its turquoise waters and pristine sands, is a must-visit. 22. Dominica's Waterfalls, Dominica. Dominica is often called the Nature Island for its lush rainforests and numerous waterfalls. Hike to the incredible Trafalgar Falls and experience nature's beauty. 23. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. St. Vincent's dramatic landscapes, including the Soufriere volcano, offer adventurous hikes and breathtaking views. 24. Andros Island, Bahamas. Andros Island in the Bahamas is a haven for divers and snorkelers, with its pristine coral reefs and the world's largest underwater cave system. 25. The French Antilles, Guadeloupe and Martinique. We end our journey in the French Antilles, Guadeloupe, and Martinique, known for their lush rainforests, stunning beaches, and French Caribbean fusion culture. These 25 beautiful places in the Caribbean islands are just a glimpse of the region's incredible diversity and natural beauty. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, the Caribbean has it all. If you've been to any of these stunning destinations, or have a favorite Caribbean spot, please share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our updates. Signing off, and remember, the world is full of beauty waiting to be explored.